In this video, I'm going to show you how I achieved the jet black hair color using Bigen Gentle Cream Colour. The Bigen Gentle Cream Colour is a perfect hair dye to use if you want to get rid of gray hairs, want to color your hair, but also still want to have a soft texture and a long-lasting color. Mixing the color is very simple. Number 1 is the color and number 2 is the developer. Mix those two together. Make sure you mix it well. And then you're ready to apply it to your hair. Before applying the hair color, we need to prep the hair also. First, I detangled my hair. And after detangling, I made sure that I parted my hair in 4 sections so that it will be easy for me to apply the color to my hair. The main focus is to get rid of my gray hair. That is why I start with applying the hair color on my gray hair. And when I was sure that that was all covered, I applied the hair color on the length of my hair. Working in small sections is the way to go. This way, I am making sure that every hair strand is covered by the hair color. Why choose Bigen Gentle Cream Colour? Well, let me tell you, it covers gray hair beautifully. Also, it is formulated to minimize damage. That means whether you're natural or relaxed, you can use this hair color. Also, I love the consistency. The consistency is a non-drip cream. It is easy to mix and easy to apply to your hair. And what is also great, there's no harsh smell while applying the color to your hair. And it comes in 4 different colors. Well, I chose jet black, but you also have ash black, natural black, and natural brown. Applying the hair color was done within 12 minutes. I'm not joking. You see the time, right? It was done within 12 minutes. After the 12 minutes, I let the product sit for 20 minutes. 20 minutes is all you need. And even when I was applying the hair color to my hair, I could already see the hair color transforming. And just like that, I have a new hair color, jet black, all done in 30 minutes in the comfort of your own home. I'm loving this color, and I'm so happy that I finally colored my hair and get rid of the gray hair because it was getting annoying.